Just got the car all filled up with gas, heading to Hot Rod Power Tour 2023. Should be a great year. Here we are, 4 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to leave Piasta, Iowa, headed to Tennessee for a day, and then off to Atlanta for the Hot Rod Power Tour.
Go Power Tour!
Got a beautiful sunrise coming through the trees here. Well, the sun's up. It's about 7:45. Getting some gas. We're in Missouri already, so everything's going good with the car. It's running nice and cool. Obviously, it's cold enough that we still have the tops on it right now. Probably next time we stop, we'll be taking those off. Well, we decided it was just too nice to not have the tops off, so we stayed at the gas station a couple extra minutes, took them off. So we're all packed in the back. Sorry.
I thought you were just turning it away from me so that way I would make faces.
Oh, yeah, she makes faces, so you'll see a lot of that, I'm sure.
Gosh, you're funny.
But we're still heading. Beautiful weather right now. Bit on the chilly side, but sweatshirts.
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
Back to the yard.
I found it. I'm trying to,
So we made it to the Gateway Arch. We found this really cool looking horse parking. That is pretty cool. Well, we came to St. Louis and we thought we'd check out the Arch, but there's something going on and everybody wants $30 to park everywhere. So we're not stopping in St. Louis after all.
Hey, and now I have the camera facing the right way as we continue on our first day of Hot Rod Power Tour. Been in the car.
Day 00.
Oh yeah, because it doesn't even start until tomorrow. We left
It
early.
doesn't start till Monday.
Oh, it does.
We left early to avoid rain.
And our kids.
And our kids.
Hot Rod Power Tour 2023 coming at you with.
Ripping burnouts.
That's right. Day 1 of Hot Rod Power Tour 2023. No momcation for me this year because I am here hanging out with Curdy for a full week. Driving him crazy.
That's our marriage.
Here we are. So we
12-hour drive and 2,000 bugs, more than that, murdered on the front of my car. But we just got to Tennessee. This is where we're going to spend the night, hopefully avoid all the rain.
We're going into Nashville on day 0 of the Hot Rod Power Tour 2023.
I'm not sure we can use your British accent.
Skipping momcation and traveling. I don't know if you can see us traveling with my husband. Woo!
It's an all right, we're just getting into the mountains right now.
And on still day 0 of the Power Tour, we are heading into the Smoky Mountains. Still trying to avoid some storms. I'm sure we're going to have to turn this off and check the weather soon.
Everybody's got to be a comedian, don't they?
Everybody needs to know if it's going to rain.
There's like large hail supposed to be coming, so
And we are trying to avoid it.
slightly
It's a
concerned
very
about hail and strong winds as being
hail
a
and
deterrent
strong
for driving
winds.
on Power Tour.
However,
We do have a place to park covered if we get there without getting hit by hail, so that's why I'm worried about the weather.
wait, awesome.
We came up to our
Stop
first
right
mountain type traffic jam here, and we got stopped at like the perfect lookout point. There's a cave in the wall here, and this is overlooking the city down there.
The east at the mouth of the Chattanooga Creeks. This car got in my way.
Oh, sorry. Anyway, yeah, so our first traffic jam of the day, or of the
Of our
week,
trip.
really, of our
Actually,
trip.
this is not too bad of a stop. It's
Yeah.
really pretty.
So, and it says it's only 7 minutes on the GPS, so we'll see if 7 turns into 23, but we're on our way. Stopped to fill up the gas. And you can notice the roof is still dripping water because we must have just missed the rain. So far we have not gotten hit with any. Parked overnight and it was totally dry this morning and still covered in dirt. So it didn't get wet last night. We'll hopefully get it covered up before tonight and it'll stay dry until tomorrow. hopefully all week. So one of my fears of getting rained on is we didn't want to get it all wet inside the car, but it seems that I let somebody pour their own water.
There's a flip cap.
Yeah, give me, don't you even dare. She's thinking about spraying me with it. That's not even funny at all. All right, we're here in Georgia, thinking about food, and what do we see?
Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's. We're gonna go check it out.
It's cool. It is a great place. We want to stop here. But holy cats, look at how many cars are in this parking lot. Like,
Is that a carnival? No, it's a buc-ee's.
is it? Yeah, it's like the...
Look at Love's. There's like open pumps at Love's,
Oh,
and everybody is still
look.
going to Buc-ee's.
There's a gas station too. And then there's the crowd.
All right, well, we just made it to our place, which this is the backyard of our Airbnb. There's a pond down there, it looks like. Swimming pool over there.
Woohoo, time for drinks.
Time for drinks, yes. It's been a long drive. But one thing that hit me on this was a covered carport to park the car at night, because that's always handy to have a place to keep the car. But this is our little cabin. So I think we're like less than 15 miles away from the racetrack too. So super close by. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the T-tops put back on the car and get the luggage out. So it's 7:30 in the morning here in Atlanta. Looks like we have an absolutely beautiful day. It's supposed to be about a high of 80. Plenty of sunshine. I did go and wash the car last night. Got it cleaned up a little bit better than the 4 million dead bugs on the front. There's only a couple hundred left there, it looks like. Actually, I did pretty good. So anyway, we're about 5 minutes. We're gonna take off for the track. We're 15 minutes away, so should be there very shortly.